Guys, sinong nakapanood ng live ni Sharon Cunita kani-kanina lang kasama si Gabby Concepcion sa Honolulu, Hawaii? I think this is before or after, I'm not sure, their rehearsal para sa Dear Heart concert tour nila. At they are already in Honolulu, Hawaii at naghanda na sila for the nostalgic moment tonight. At pinakita ni Sharon ang kanilang venue. Ang ganda, ang laki. So guys, let's witness, let's feel the love, the kilig, the memories. Just we count these memories to be together with this napakabait na megastar. True, tama lang na tinawag siyang megastar dahil napakabait, down to earth, kahit alam na natin, at lalong-lalo na si Gabby Concepcion, ang galing nilang makisama sa kanilang mga fans. Kahit alam natin na pagod na sila, pero pinagbibigyan pa rin ang gusto ng kanilang mga fans dahil nga sa sobrang pagmamahal nila sa kanilang mga fans. Kaya hanggang ngayon, mula noon hanggang ngayon ay nananatili pa rin sila sa industriya ng Philippine entertainment. So guys, witness the moment, witness the nostalgic moment dito sa Honolulu, Hawaii. One more concert na lang ang pagsasamahan nila ni Sharon Cunita in Vancouver, Canada. So guys, be there!
Hello, we are rehearsing
We are here in Hawaii.
Honolulu, the Hilton Hawaiian Village, and we are getting ready for our show tonight for all of you. Right?
Hilton honors, and it's an honor to be here. So, kung kayo ay hindi pa nakakapunta rito, for the first time magpunta kayo rito because nandito kami tonight.
It's a beautiful hotel, a beautiful venue. I'll show you.
Kailan ba natin
I'll
para
show
basta?
you. Yeah.
Alright.
There, that's the venue. And after this, we have one last show in
Last
Vancouver.
show.
Have you rested? Because every day we've been flying 3 days in a row. And I woke up kanina, oh my God. Then I said, ay, walang flight.
Then, nung bumaba ako nga galing sa plane, nagland kami dito, binaba ko maleta ko, naglakad na ako sa beach.
Kako kagabi.
Miss ko na.
Ikaw earlier, no?
Namiss ko na ang beach. So, sa beach ako kanina.
Yan.
Alright.
Ay, the light
Ayan,
there.
yan.
Ako kagabi, naglakad kami nila Nancy. So, after this, we'll have at least 2 days to rest
Yes, and then we do a show again.
in Vancouver. Then we go home. And
Yes.
finally, we will fly home together.
At magkita-kita na lang ho tayo sa ating mga ginawang o kayo, mga ginawa nilang mga clippings, nalagay nila sa YouTube, sa Instagram, para naman maalala nyo kami even when the shows are over.
Yes, and we go back to our real lives.
Yes.
We'll have fond memories of you and this tour.
But we're already making plans.
Yes, we have many plans for all of you, our fans. So, abangan nyo na lang po yun.
So it's gonna be fun.
Yes.
So, walang iwanan.
Yes.
Babalikan
And we
tayo.
love you very much. Thank you for never leaving us kahit
Yes.
kami laging magkasabay gumagawa ng work.
Sundan po ninyo yung kanyang Instagram because meron siyang mga linagay doon. Meron din ako mga linagay sa aking
Right.
Instagram.
And
That's
thank you.
very memorable.
And thank you to all our fans who just always edit those videos and they're so cute. We see them. We just don't have the time to really go through each and every one and thank you all. But thank you so much. We love you.
So much. We love you. Take care because
See you Hawaii
Okay,
later.
bye-bye. See
We
you
love
later.
you. Bye.